In addition to the moving map display, we're fitting an additional GPS display, which also gives terrain warning. This is a backup to assist the pilot and offer reduced workload and warning of terrain ahead. With all the single-engine Squirrels recently fitted with special cockpit lighting, the company is now NVG equipped at all its EMS bases. Obtaining the purchase and permission to use the NVGs are a credit to our organization, as we've gained special approval from the U.S. military to own the highly valued devices. You have one shadow because our primary light source on Earth is the sun. What would happen if there were two suns? A planet that orbits two stars would look very much like Tatooine from Star Wars, with two brilliant sunsets each day and two shadows instead of one for each person. Slips and trips are often used in cartoons to get a laugh. But sadly, the reality and real danger associated with slips and trips in the workplace are anything but funny. Slips and trips are often some of the biggest causes of serious accidents in the workplace. In fact, they account for 40% of all major injuries that happen at work. And a huge 90% of those injuries result in bone fracture. They can happen anywhere. Featuring one of the most spellbinding panoramic lake topo views, we proudly introduce number 39, Whakamoenga Point, a house dedicated to take every advantage of its very special location. You'll never cease to be amazed at the greatness and awe-inspiring beauty when you arrive home to number 39. When pain feels this tough, choose Panadol Extra. Fights 5 types of tough pain, including migraine headaches. Panadol Extra. When pain is gone, life takes its place.
He was a real person, although generations grew up thinking of him as some magic creature, some Santa Claus of literature. He was Theodore Geisel. Seuss, his middle name. Doctor, a bit of whimsy. He certainly looked the part. Tall, bushy white hair. But the thing about him was he was so terribly shy. And though he won a Pulitzer Prize, he avoided public glory others tried to force upon him. Though he did talk to children. And today, they talk about him.
These desert road veterans, many with more than 30 winters' experience on the highway, know every bend, camber, culvert, bridge, corner, and trouble spot, both day and by night. Road crews are distinctly familiar with the kaleidoscope of seasonal moods, which affect this complex stretch of Kiwi roading. Keepers of the desert, this hardy lot wash over a special road going through it. By now, 12,000 homes are doomed. Several thousand others are unlivable, and the cost of the quake payout is running into the tens of billions. We may never see the end of Mother Earth shifting under our feet, let alone in Christchurch, as we are, in fact, living along the Ring of Fire. But by sheer determination and resilience, broken hearts and loss. Just around the corner in Mine Bay are the world-famous Māori rock carvings, where the great navigator keeps a watchful eye. Nearby stands the Whakamoenga Point navigation light, also a well-known landmark. The waters around Whakamoenga Point are amongst the cleanest and most productive for both boat fishing and a favorite for sunset fishing rainbow trout, a world famous.